guys, and welcome back to my Instagram or my YouTube channel, wherever you are watching this. I have not posted a video or anything on Instagram or YouTube all week. I have actually been traveling through the Midwest and the South. I went to North Carolina for a wedding this past weekend, and then my fiance and I have just been traveling all over. So I am finally back on here. I'm gonna get my posts back up, and I will start doing more of your requests on video. So if you have anything you want to see in a request, I am finally back. Hi, I'm finally back from traveling all over. I feel like I've been to so many states the past 3 days, and it is just a rainy day, so I figured I would jump on here and take your guys' requests. One thing I was asked was why I have lowered the amount of slots I have opened in my schedule. I know I share with you guys my schedule each and every Monday when the frenzy's over, and I had a lot of people saying, why did you open, only 30 when you take 50 each week? Thank you so much. Somebody wrote, your hair looks fabulous. This is actually my natural hair. This is, I call this my Greek hair. My mother is Greek and my dad's like Italian. He's a bunch of just Europe. So I am the mutt of Europe, so to speak. So this is my natural hair. But to answer the question, hi Sarah. To answer the question why I lowered my slots, it was just because I felt really like run down and exhausted. I felt like I was just working for this number because everybody's like comparing each other's schedules and, asking, how do you get more kids? How do you get more? How do you get more? How do you get more? And I realized that I had enough. Working 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. right now is enough. I do teach kids in the afternoon and evenings with piano and music lessons. So I just decided to take the time to, just work from 7 to 10. I used to do 5 to 10, Monday to Friday, but because I don't need that, I'm trying to work on the work-life balance. And if you have anything you can recommend VIPKID teachers when it comes to work-life balance, let me know either in these comments, or if you're watching this on my YouTube, let me know. And other fun fact before I jump off this live stream, I'm gonna try to film a few. I just asked this in my story. I have been obsessed with making Starbucks DIY refreshers. These are wonderful. They taste great, but they're very expensive at Starbucks. They're like $4 to $5 a piece. And if you're like me, you want one like every couple days. So I'm experimenting making my own refreshers. And if you want to see those recipes, let me know either here or on YouTube, and I will get onto those. But to answer the question of the week, why I lowered my booking numbers is just because I needed to work on work-life balance, and my sleep was a little bit more important than teaching 5 to 10, especially after travel. If you're like me and you booked so much summer travel and are using VIPKID to fund that travel, once you come home and you need your body to like rest and relax, it's okay to lower your the amount of hours that you teach. If you have any other questions on ways to make money elsewhere, like if you want to work a little less for VIPKID and bring in money in other ways from your home, let me know. I can do that. But other than that, keep your work-life balance steady, and I will see you guys in the next video. Sorry it was kind of random. Sorry it's a full body shot, but I was filming some YouTube videos and decided to just jump on to Instagram. Anyway, you guys, happy teaching. Let me know what you guys want to see in the DM box. I do keep a post-it note little section of what you guys want to see, and I put it onto a Google filming calendar. So thank you guys so much. Happy teaching. Let us know how to make, oh, of course, there are so many ways you can make money from home, especially if you tutor. The internet has so many other ways. Some people do other like VIPKID ESL programs. I like to sell things that I don't use, or when my neighbors move, I sell their furniture on like buy-sell trade sites and Craigslist. Like, there are other ways to make money from home. If you actually search on YouTube how to make money from home, there are people that do a plethora of things. If you're good with typing, they have transcriptionist jobs. You can make money where you just type out, listen to reports and you type what you hear, and they pay you per report. So if you're a really fast typer, you can make some income that way. But I will share, I have 2 or 3 videos on ways to make money from home on my other YouTube channel. But if you guys are interested in ways to make money from home, let me know in the DMs and I will get on to working on that video. But I will talk to you later. Bye.